we are looking at 7 of the strangest phobias. We are going to be looking at what they are, what they mean, and how to say their even weirder names. Let's go and start with the fear of the number 666 or 666. How do you go about pronouncing this very long word? Hexakosioihexekontahexaphobia. Hexakosioihexekontahexaphobia. An extreme or irrational fear of clowns. Coulrophobia. Coulrophobia in American English. Coulrophobia. Originating from the Greek words thalassa, the sea, and phobos, fear, it designates an intense and persistent fear of the sea. Thalassophobia. Thalassophobia. This is a phobia, and it is one of the longest words in the dictionary, and in an ironic twist, it is the name of a fear of long words, believe it or not. How do you go about pronouncing it? Hippopotomonstrosesquippedaliophobia. Hippopotomonstrosesquippedaliophobia. This word, Psychology Today defines as, quote, a term describing a growing fear in today's world, the fear of being without a mobile device or beyond mobile phone contact. Among today's high school and college students, it's on the rise. An increasing number of college students now shower with their cell phone. How do you go about pronouncing this word? Simply Nomophobia. Nomophobia. The fear of being choked by peanut butter. Arachibutyrophobia. Arachibutyrophobia. Originating from the Greek words aqua, water, and phobia, fear. It designates an abnormal fear of water. How do you go about pronouncing it? Aquaphobia. Aquaphobia. If you enjoy learning new words and their pronunciation in English in a relaxed manner with nice videos, but also words of French, Italian and Spanish origin that are useful in English, feel free to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like to support, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of words. Cheers.